how to make your drawings pop out and dance. It's very fun, also very easy too. So now let's get started. First, you draw something that you like, which I already prepared earlier. And we can use the colored one and the not colored one. And second step is you have to download an app in the App Store called RakugakiAR. This one, RakugakiAR. It costs 99 cents. And then you have to open this. And then you have to put it far and hold it still. Look, wow, it pops up. And it also has a sound too. Alright, look at this. Let's do a couple more. Let's try this one. Jump! See? So now there's this recording button. See this? You just have to press this button and then you keep recording it. You see this? You can record it. Wow, it jumps! It can dance, it can jump, it can do everything. Okay, see this? Now you can save this one. And I want to show you the one that my mom and me did. It's my favorite one. See, it's all jumping. You like that, right? So if you like my channel, you can subscribe my button and don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you leave. Bye!